What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to equip arm sleeve in superstar mode in Madden 26. If you're trying to put an arm sleeve on your player, it's pretty simple once you know where everything is. Start off by heading into the character section and from there open up change gear. You'll see your different uniforms first, just pick whichever one you wanna work with. I'm sticking with the dark uniform here, but it really doesn't matter which one you choose. Once that loads, go over to the arms tab. Now you'll be able to look through all the sleeve options. You can start with the left arm and you'll notice there's a mix of free sleeves and ones that cost coins. Take your time here. You can rotate your player around if you want a better look at how each sleeve actually sits on the arm. When you are done with the left side, you can switch over to the right arm by pressing R1 or RB and do the same thing. The selection is basically identical with the same free and paid options, and that's pretty much how you can add arm sleeves to your player without any hassle. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.